Hello lock sisters, I'm here to just do an update. I don't know if which one it is and how long I haven't done an update. Sorry, it's 5 a.m. I haven't yet slept. So this is me with my luck. The journey has been great, people. I'm enjoying it. So I have a lot of growth to the point that I can drag my hair already. Yes, I have 2 pins or 1 pin here. Did you see anything? So the whole of it is not my hair, obviously. Let me remove it so you can see. I'm just enjoying. This is the best decision I've ever made concerning my hair. The ugly part is done. It's over. Like the first 6 months or 8 months here. It's just yeah. This is so the thing is, I really love when my locks are free. Are free. I must say I have been neglecting them, but locks are cheap, yo. They are cheap. So why are they all of a sudden itchy? Camera, right? So there are some like really good ones in the behind. I have done nothing. No retwist, no no interlocking, no whatnot. But I have some are really like flat. I don't know if I have to palm roll them, and when I try, it doesn't really bring anything. And I've learned something so far. My cat is having making. Anyway, I was so a sucker for the lines, the path, but at this point of my journey, I don't care. Like, really, like, it takes so much stress. Look, I'm happy about the straight lines I did. I have straight, the whole front is like straightened. But I couldn't care less about the lines because, hey, most of the time I wear my hair like this, like tack, or the other way. Basically, we spray bottle and it's done. And these pins, left and right. Let me just do it for the camera. The other day we went out. I just washed my hair. It was like looking so great. I was so proud. And that's it, y'all. So that's me. Looks great, right? What do I have to say? So yes, because it's really low maintenance and it's actually locking on its own, I am starting not to really take care of it. I'm thinking of putting them in braids, but then I have this ideology thing behind me, like, why are you going to put your hair in braid? And because the reason I started this journey was to be able to wear my own hair one of the reasons. And because like doing hair was so painful and blah blah blah, you know, as a child was doing my hair, it was so painful that as a 10-year-old or 9-year-old, I said to her, leave my hair alone. And I took a scissor and I cut it. Like, why am I going through this pain? So I have an issue with pain, with doing hairdressing and having some pain. And this, perfect. Like, my scalp is yes, I have to moisturize it, otherwise it itches. Although I did it before, it's just a camera. It's just disgracing me in front of the camera. I take care of my scalp. Like, my hands are oily. I didn't do anything to them, so you can see my hands. So I promise. I have a spray bottle and everything. This is perfect for me. I still don't regret. I haven't regretted. I regretted in the beginning because my scalp, I was looking like, yeah, that's shameful. That shameful phase is over. But now I just can't wait for them to get longer. But I have the feeling they are getting shorter. If this is the outcome. And on the other side, I'm loving, like, look at this. Look, let me come closer. Look at it. It's just wonderful. And I've done nothing. Literally nothing. Just nothing. Even the satin bonnet, I haven't yet bought it. I said I would buy it in the Black Friday week. I didn't. I forgot. Or they looked ugly, and I said I'm going to sew it. And even the headscarf that I have, I'm not using it. I'm not saying you should treat your hair like that, but like, locks are so not petty. Fine, they are so easygoing, and yeah, I'm loving it. So I want to wait again before I. Oh, this is long. Just this one, okay. So I'm having some issue with them always tangling. Like, I really have to be detangling them each day, and they are not like one together. Like, you see this, they are freeze. There's a lot of freeziness going on. So I try to educate myself, and I've heard I should be brushing them. Some others say I should put them in some locks, and it's winter. So maybe I'm going to do some braids. I still have extension, like I have extension for 1 year basically in my house. Like, because I don't do wigs, my scalp just get itchy, so I'm a braid girl. So maybe I'm going to do that for the next 2 months, if I can handle that for 2 months. And then after, I'm going to interlock, because this frizziness, binding and everything, it's and yeah, look, this is so, I love it. I really love my locks. But this front, I still haven't. They are better than before. Like, my baby hair, it is definitely like me. There's definitely something going on there, and not little. But it is what it is. I don't know where it's coming from. Maybe I've already said it before, genetics. But yeah. From now, it's just going to be better, I believe. And I was also thinking of like this ending, they really look funny if I have to interlock them. And the twist, one can't really see the twist, but the two sides twist. But maybe I should undo them, because on some of them you can, yeah, you can feel it. Look at this one here, you can see it. So yeah, so that was it for my login. Logged, and this is the best thing I have ever done to my hair. Yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Stay curious. Mwah. Oh, this is wonderful. Let me do it again. Yeah. Sometimes I wear them like this with the head scarf, like, see me?